Hi everyone, today we're back in the garden harvesting calendula seeds. It's a really easy process and a really fun project. Anyone can do it. And the best part about it, it's free. The first step is really easy. All you need to do is just pick the old and wilted flowers. Calendula is a powerful self-seeder in the garden. I'm trying really hard not to take more than a third of the calendula flowers, as this can stress the plant and affect its overall health. So once you have your harvest, you'll need some soil, and I love using an eggshell container for this part. You'll want to prepare your eggshell cavities with some soil, and just here I'm just filling up enough so that I can plant the calendula seeds inside of them. And I'm carefully just mounding the soil so that they all each have the same amount of soil in each cavity here. This next part is quite fun. This is extracting the calendula seeds from the flower. All you need to do is just open up where the flower bud is, and you'll find these octopus-like little stems in the calendula flower itself. They are your seeds and they're ready to harvest. Funny what you see when you're editing your videos. Hi, Kens. This process takes a little while, but oh, it's so much fun. How great is that? Harvesting your own calendula seeds. So once you've collected all of your calendula seeds, you want to press your soil down just a little bit so that you can put the seeds into the pockets. Here I'm just giving the soil just a little bit of moisture, not too much. Give them a good head start. Then you want to just carefully sprinkle your calendula seeds all throughout your egg carton. Once this is done, go ahead and pop some more soil over the top. Making sure that the soil covers all of them. Then for the very last time, give your calendula seeds just a little bit more water. And you are done. So come with me, let's go find a spot for our newly planted calendula seeds. Perfect.